Hello everybody. Today we're going to do an experiment about density. So density is how close or far apart molecules are. So there are molecules all around us. So in air, in gases, in liquids, and in solids. These coins are going to represent the molecules. The molecules in a solid are very close together like they are right now, like the coins are right now. And in liquids, they are farther apart. But depending on the liquid, they might be farther apart or a little closer. But in gases, they are super far apart. Just imagine that you're right beside a friend. So these two coins are going to represent the friends. So these two coins, if they're standing next to each other and this guy who is stronger is trying to go through them, can he go through them? Yes, very easily. So that means if these two were like water molecules all around, and then this guy could sink. But if they're closer together, like this, if they're closer together, it's gonna be harder to get through. And if they're super close together, then this guy is not going to be able to get through. We're going to do an experiment to test density and see which liquid is most dense and which liquid is least dense. So you will need a cup, and it should be glass so that you can see inside. And if you want, you can do it at home. And then you will also need water, syrup, any kind you want, oil, also any kind you want. And I recommend you use food coloring to dye your water. And you can find random items like Lego bricks and nuts, like not like nuts like coconuts or anything, like these types of nuts. Little pieces of foam, kernels, and like small tomatoes. And these items have to fit in the cup that you are using. Let's get this experiment going. So first we are going to start with the water. And now, I need to put this away and grab my food coloring. And I will put about like 1 drop, maybe 2. I think 1 drop will be okay. So now we're gonna put syrup in. And do you think it's gonna float or sink? What do you think is gonna happen? The syrup actually sank through the water. I'm gonna add some more water so that it gets like up to here. So there. And it's still blue. So now I'm going to drop my items in. I am guessing this might just sink because it's heavy, it's metal, it's heavy. And also, it has a hole in it, and boats with holes will sink, so I'm gonna put it in and see what happens. Yep, it went straight to the bottom. It didn't even sit on the syrup. I will drop this, the small tomato, And I'm guessing, I actually have no idea. I actually have no idea where this is going. So let's find out. Oh, it floats on top of the water. That's very cool. Okay, next I will do the Lego brick, which I'm guessing, I actually have no idea. And I'm very excited. This came from my room. Oh! It sits on top of the oil. That's actually very cool. That's probably because it's plastic and it's super light. Okay, now I will do the sponge, or foam, I call it, but foam is also another thing, so I'm gonna call it sponge. I actually think it is going to sit on the syrup. Oh! How is it sitting on the oil? I thought it was gonna absorb and just go down. Now for the kernel. I actually had no idea. Let's try it out. That's actually cool. It goes to the syrup. And it took a very slow time to go down the water. Now for the coin. Finally! I actually think we should use 2 coins because if we put it like this, it's more likely to sink down. If we put it like this, it's more likely to float. So after this, we should get another coin. I'm gonna first drop it like that. Oh, straight to the bottom. Bye-bye. This time, I'm gonna put it in like this, where it's flat, like pancake. Oh, still to the bottom. You can try this at home and you can grab different items like toys or tools that fit in the cup that you are using. I know, why did I say that 3 times in this video? And also, you can use different liquids like milk, but just milk or like, I have no other idea. Wow. Just make sure that they don't mix or else it kind of becomes a chaos. Stay safe and remember to wash your hands because of this weird virus. Bye. See you in the next video.